Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the details of the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Rolling Salon Tray, aluminum trolley cart. A sleek and practical solution for anyone in the beauty industry or at home grooming. If you're looking for something that combines mobility, durability, and easy storage, this is definitely the best rolling tray for your needs. This rolling salon tray is designed to make your workspace more efficient and organized. Whether you're a hairstylist, esthetician, or simply someone who wants a portable setup for your beauty tools, this trolley cart is a game changer. The black finish gives it a modern, professional look, and it's constructed from high-quality aluminum, ensuring that it's both lightweight and sturdy. One of the standout features of this tray is its smooth, quiet wheels. These aren't just any wheels. They're crafted to glide effortlessly across surfaces like hardwood, tile, and even carpet without leaving scratches or marks. This means you can move it around your workspace, salon, or spa with ease, without worrying about damaging your floors. The wheels are made from soft polyurethane material, so you can rest assured that they'll stay quiet and smooth, no matter how many times you move the cart. Another feature you'll appreciate is its adjustable height. This ensures that you can customize the cart to suit your needs, whether you're standing or sitting while you work. It offers versatility, whether you need it at a higher level for easy reach or a lower level for precision work. This simple adjustment allows the cart to adapt to various settings, making it perfect for both professionals and home users. When it comes to storage, this rolling salon tray doesn't disappoint. The tray itself is spacious, with a middle countertop that provides ample space for your essential tools. Whether it's hair products, skincare items, or even nail supplies. There's also a unique accessory caddy with specially designed holders for curling irons, brushes, hair dryers, and more. This thoughtful design makes it easy to organize and quickly access your tools, helping you stay efficient and focused on the task at hand. The tray also features a versatile hair extension stand. This stand comes with two types of hanging teeth, coarse and fine, giving you the option to hang hair extension tools and hair braiding tools. It's a small detail that adds a lot of value, especially for stylists who work with extensions regularly. Assembling this rolling tray is straightforward and hassle-free. The instructions are clear, and you can have it set up in no time. Once assembled, you'll have a well-organized, highly functional cart ready for use in your salon, spa, or even your home workspace. If you're in need of a reliable, stylish, and functional rolling cart, the rolling salon tray is definitely one of the best options out there. Its sturdy aluminum construction, smooth mobility, ample storage, and adjustable height make it an essential piece of equipment for anyone in the beauty business. So, whether you're a professional stylist or someone who loves doing their own beauty treatments at home, this tray will make your work more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best products available today.